Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install Jenkins on Windows. So first we are going to open Chrome browser and then download, type download Jenkins, enter, then click on Jenkins, here the second link, click on download, and under the download you see the download Jenkins. We have two options. One is for download Jenkins LTS with the long-term support. Another one is for weekly support, which is here. So we are going to select the long-term support. Since we are going to use Windows, click on Windows. Then it will download in the download folder. So I'm going to open download folder. And this is the download is completed. Now we are going to install. So double click on it. Then the installation window will be appear. So click next. And Jenkins will be downloaded under the program file. Click next. And the location type, select the first radio button. Run server as local system. Click next. And this is the port number. So it's a click test port button to proceed. Basically it's mean to make sure this port is available. So click test port, click next. Then this is the location again for Java. So it's automatically detect from our computer. From our JDK we install on the C drive under the program files, right? So it's automatically detect. So click next, next, and install. And then it will give you the Windows alert message and just click yes. As soon as you click yes, it will installation process will be start and is done. So click finish. So installation is completed. You can close this window. Second steps is, since we select the port 8080, right? So I'm going to copy this or open link new tab. So now you should, it will take a few seconds for you open the Jenkins for a first time. So that's why is try to get all the information. So the first thing, it's a unlock Jenkins. So it's asking to provide the administration password. So where we can find this administration password, and this is the location. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click or just put on this window on the side and open this file explorer. I'm going to open the file explorer. And then you see the C program data Jenkins, right? And under the secret, if I go to this location, I should see this password. So what I'm going to do is just select until the C drive, copy, and paste it here, and enter. And you see initial admin password. So this is the password we need. So now what I have to do is just one click in the initial admin password, then right click and open with, click on Notepad just once, and then it will give you the Jenkins password. So this is the password. So I'm going to copy this password and paste it here. Okay, so it's better if I save all this information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the Notepad and click another tab. Okay, I'm going to say like the Jenkins credential. So file, save as, you can save anywhere you like, and Jenkins, name it like Jenkins setups. Something like this, click save. Okay, because we need more information. We are going to save all the Jenkins related configuration. We are going to save it here. And also we can also the URL, right? So this is our URL. And let me put this on the top. URL. Yes. So now, since we already copy paste the administration password, so click continue. So never, and the installations has just plugins, just click on it. And it will take, based on your computer speed, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes. So I will pause and I'll come back. Okay, so now after all the plugin is completed, so now you have to provide the username. So let's say I'm going to say admin. Admin, and password is admin123. Admin123. Admin and admin123@gmail.com. I'm going to provide the fake password. So let me write down the username and password. So Control S. So now save and continue. So this is our URL. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Okay, so let me log out and make sure my credential is working. So admin. Let's start from beginning. So I'm going to cancel. So how to open Jenkins? So I'm going to click on this browser. Open Chrome browser. Then I have the URL. Copy the URL and paste it here. And username is admin. And password is admin123 and a special character. Click sign in. So you are about to successfully download and install Jenkins on Windows. Thank you.